Hey everyone, I'm Slorg, project lead of Solana Slugs, and today I'll be giving an overview of the Sol-Incinerator redesign. So the first thing that you're greeted with upon entrance to the website is an FAQ, and the FAQ answers common questions such as, where is the reclaimed soul coming from, and how much can I reclaim from burning? Whenever you're ready to use the Sol-Incinerator, connect your wallet at the top left corner. We currently support 7 different wallets, but are open to integrating more. For example, Exodus reached out to us on Discord, and we are able to have them up and running within minutes. So go ahead and connect your wallet of choice. Your NFTs will load, and the first thing you'll notice is that each collection is now segmented by group. And what this allows for is easy select all, deselect all, or individual selection. Another thing that you'll notice is that as you select NFTs, they'll begin to populate the queue on the right side of the screen. Additionally, there's a spot for you to choose your output currency, whether you want to burn for CREC, whether you want to burn for dust. Any currency that is available on Jupiter, you can now burn for. If you select the X at the top right corner of the queue screen, you can clear out your entire queue and start over. Some other features include the presence of SoulScan links, which if you click will redirect you to the SoulScan page for this individual NFT. And not shown here, but there are now indicators for frozen NFTs, scam NFTs, and NFTs experiencing metadata load errors. To begin, select the NFTs which you'd like to burn. Then, select your output currency of choice. It defaults to Sol. Go to the tokens screen, select any tokens which you'd like to burn, and finally, go to the cleanup screen. What the cleanup screen does is it closes empty token accounts. It's something slightly different from burning. Whenever you list, transfer, or dispose of a token or NFT, the account is left vacant and can be closed to reclaim a small amount of Solana. Go ahead and confirm the burns. And if you're swapping for a different output currency, you're going to have to approve 2 transactions. So go ahead and confirm the burn, approve, and then approve the swap transaction. This may take a little bit of time because if you've ever used Jupiter, it requires 3 internal transactions to perform. And you're all done. Now you can expand the detailed summary and see what happened exactly in addition to SoulScan links. So for your first transaction, you burnt for Sol, and then for your second transaction, you swap that Sol into CREC, and it gives you the option to burn more. One final thing that I'd like to go over is the Settings tab. If you navigate to the cog on the top right of the screen, there's a few different settings that you can change. One is the RPC node. You can connect to 6 different RPC nodes here, and if you're having issues with any one of them, I would highly suggest you change to a different one. Another feature here is access to the FAQ screen which you saw in the beginning. And the final feature is the mode. It defaults to the basic mode, but advanced users can select the advanced mode. And in the advanced mode, an additional tab appears. This tab is for unknown items. Please read the disclaimer before you access the unknown item screen. Unknown items could be NFTs, whitelist tokens, or other valuable items. If you don't know what it is, do not burn it. Only use the unknown items tab and the advanced feature if you know what you're doing. And that's it. That's the incinerator redesign in a nutshell. Finally, if you appreciate and want to support the project, feel free to buy a slug at the top right corner which links to the Magic Eden page. We appreciate the feedback which came from dozens and dozens of people into creating the new redesign. And believe me, there is much, much more to come.